Dear students, in this video I am going to teach you a very important concept related to haloarenes, that is their electrophilic substitution reactions. What is the meaning of electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes? It means substitution in benzene ring. What is the meaning? Just have a look on this. Suppose this is a haloarene and it is subjected to any electrophilic substitution reaction. Let's say any halogen like chlorine is there in the presence of any halogen carrier like Fe. Then this substitution will not take place. This will not be nucleophilic substitution, means X will not be replaced. Rather, this is the substitution on the benzene ring. Now, dear students, we know that substitution on the benzene ring can be of two types. Which two types? First is ortho and para substitution, means the substituent will go at the ortho as well as at the para position. And the second thing, substitution can be at the meta position. So, dear students, in case of haloarenes, this substitution is at the ortho para position, not at the meta position. Means on halogenation, the substitution will take place simultaneously at ortho and at para position. Alright, its substitution does not take place at the meta position. It is very surprising. You know why? Because halogen atoms are very electronegative atoms. In a haloarene, when I say haloarene, so halogen atoms are very, very electronegative atoms. So being electronegative, they are electron withdrawing in nature. We understand this reason. Because they are electronegative in nature, so they are electron withdrawing in nature, basically. So, although these halogen atoms are electron withdrawing, yet they give ortho-para substitution reactions when they undergo electrophilic substitution reactions. So, we need to understand why this happens. That in spite of being electron withdrawing, they undergo electrophilic substitution reaction at the ortho and para position, not at the meta position. So, dear students, basically there are two major things we need to understand. It is due to two important facts. Out of those two important facts, first is what all observation we see that why it undergoes ortho and para substitution. The major answer lies in the resonance. The first factor for this is resonance. During resonance, chlorine atom provides electron to the benzene ring. Alright, this is the first reason that during resonance, halogen atom provides electron to the benzene ring. Alright, and second reason, the second factor, that due to minus I effect of the halogen atom, it withdraws electron from the benzene ring. So, to understand this observation, we need to understand these two factors properly. The cumulative effect of these two factors will explain that why electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes are at ortho and para position, not at the meta positions. Now, let's have a look on these factors one by one. Now see, dear students, this is the first factor I am going to explain, that is resonance. See, when chlorine atom or any halogen, I have taken example of chlorine, it is attached with the benzene nucleus. So this way its resonance takes place. Alright, let's understand the resonance. Chlorine atom gives its electron to the benzene ring and its resonance. See, the pi electron gets delocalized here. Alright. So, chlorine atom involves its lone pair, its pair of electron in the resonance. As a result, here double bond is developed and chlorine gets positive charge. And now this negative charge which has come at the ortho position get further stabilized, get further delocalized. And its delocalization will be this way. You see the arrows now carefully. Alright. So, as a result, negative charge will come at the para position, which further on delocalization, it will be this way. As a result, the negative is coming onto the second ortho position, which on further delocalization Now we get the second Kekulé structure of the chlorobenzene. So this way the resonance takes place in the chlorobenzene, where chlorine involves its pair of electron in the resonance of the benzene nucleus. Alright, so during these resonating structure, if you look at these resonating structures, structure number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you have a look onto the structures 2 to 4th, in these resonating structure, the ortho and the para positions, ortho and para positions are becoming electron rich. Negative density is maximum. Alright, at these positions electron density is maximum. That means they are becoming the site for the electrophilic attack. Alright, that's the reason haloarenes undergo electrophilic substitution at the ortho and para position. I hope it is clear. This is the first factor. Now let us understand the second factor. Now dear students, moreover the next thing what happens when electrophile attacks onto any haloarene like chlorobenzene. Alright, so it is attacking here at the ortho position. So electron displacement takes place this way and a carbocation is formed. Now this carbocation gets stabilized by the chlorine atom. It gives away its electron pair to stabilize the carbocation so formed. Same thing happens when electrophile attacks at the para position. See here, the electron displacements will be like that, where this carbon will turn into carbocation. And here electrophile is attacking onto the para carbon, para position of the benzene nucleus. Alright, and now this again here, this positive charge onto this carbon which is attached with the chlorine, carbocation so formed, is getting stabilized by the chlorine atom. How? That it is giving away its electron pair for the stabilization of this carbocation. Alright, so due to these two factors, cumulative factors, one, involvement of the electron pair of chlorine atom or any halogen atom in the resonance causes the increase in the electron density at ortho and para position, whereas meta is electron deficient in comparison to ortho and para positions. And second thing, when any electrophile attacks onto the ortho or at para position, the carbocations which are getting formed, it is getting stabilized by the chlorine atom. So this two factors cumulative altogether sum up to the very, very important fact that electrophilic substitution reaction of haloarenes take place at ortho and para position, not at the meta position. So this way we can explain the logic. Now let us see what happens. What is the effect of the electron? As I told that halogen atom is electron withdrawing due to its minus I effect. So let's see how this minus I effect affects the electrophilic substitution reaction. Now due to minus I effect of the chlorine atom, when the attack takes place at ortho or at para position, whichever case, I have taken here attack at the ortho place. Now the carbocation so formed, alright, suffers with the withdrawal of electron by the halogen atom. Okay, so this here chlorine atom I am using, this chlorine atom withdraws the electron from the carbocation so formed as a result of electrophilic attack at the ortho position. Now this causes the deactivation of the benzene ring. Now benzene ring, after the formation of this carbocation, suffers with the deactivation. Alright, so here two things are happening. Which two things are happening? That resonance effect causing the ortho-para directing nature of the chlorine, means halogen atom causes the ortho-para substitution, and when ortho and para substitution reaction is taking place, then minus I effect of chlorine is also acting on it. So what happens, that inductive effect, which is stronger than resonance effect, it causes net electron withdrawal and net deactivation of the benzene ring. And on the other hand, resonance effect opposes the inductive effect. It makes deactivation less at the orthopara position than in comparison to meta position. So that's the reason when all these factors are together explained, then with this logic we understand that why haloarenes preferably undergo electrophilic substitution reaction at orthopara, not at the meta position. I hope it is clear. And yes, one very very important fact, that these haloarenes do not show electrophilic substitution reaction so easily or so comfortably. I mean that they undergo electrophilic substitution reaction under more drastic conditions as compared to benzene. I hope you understand the reason. The reason is due to the inductive effect of the halogen atoms attached to the benzene ring. I hope answer of this question you have understood, that why in spite of presence of a electron withdrawing group, halogen group, still it undergoes orthopara substitution, not meta substitution.